Welcome to Papertech's instructional video on how to drain and fill our liquid-cooled mobile workstation. Here is a list of tools we will need to complete the operation. From the left, you will need a crescent wrench, a 9/16 wrench, a Phillips screwdriver, a 10mm socket wrench, and a 1/4" socket wrench. First, we need to drain the workstation. To do this, take a crescent wrench and hold the main brass fitting in place while you take a 9/16 wrench and release all 4 drain plugs. Once all 4 drain plugs have been released and liquid has drained from all 4 cooling tanks, you will need to inspect the lines inside the unit. There may be some residual fluids left in the lines, and you will need to drain this as well. To do this, you will need to remove the clamp holding the line to the brass fitting. Once all the lines have been properly drained, you can inspect them for any residues or buildup that might affect the flow of the liquid. If residue is present, you will need to flush the lines to remove any blockages. Once the lines have been properly inspected and you are happy that they are clear, you will need to reattach them to the brass fitting. If residue is present, this may indicate problems with the pump or filter. Please contact our service department before putting your unit back into service. And finally, you will need to reattach the drain plugs to the exterior brass fitting. We are now ready to refill the workstation. After removing the top 4 mounting bolts, we will need to remove all 16 fasteners holding the top caps in place. Be sure to retain all 4 gaskets, as we will need to replace those once filling is complete. Once the top caps have been removed, you will need to fill all 4 tanks with coolant. Please refer to our datasheet for a list of recommended liquids. For demonstration purposes, we have just used distilled water. Once all 4 tanks are filled, you can now reattach the top caps, making sure to replace all 4 gaskets. We are now ready to prime the unit to remove any air that may be left in the lines. To do this, apply power to the unit so the pump can begin the flow of liquid. Once all air has been removed, you can seal the box and you are now ready to begin regular usage of your liquid-cooled workstation.